I've not been to Aldi since last year. I hope a lot hasn't changed. Okay, bad joke, but here I am, and I don't have a lot to get today because I just did a $100 plus grocery haul from Walmart this weekend, which means I have excess fruits and veggies because I always overbuy for my trays. And we are getting a brand new fridge for our garage. I am so excited for that, but that means I need to get everything out of my deep freezer because we're replacing the deep freezer with the fridge, which means less freezer space, and I have unearthed a lot of things. So they are the basis of my meal planning for the week. I'm just getting some fill-in stuff and of course ice cream. So let's get into the store, see what I get. And first Aldi haul of 2023. I'm excited. I was just telling my husband that after holidays you tend to find a lot more red stickers because they were closed more than normal. I'm not getting any of this, but I just want to show you after holidays is a really good red sticker time. I don't know what those stickers mean. I think it might mean half off. I don't understand. Is that the date? Oh, I think that's the date. It's on a discount. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure this out. Broccoli was on my list, but they don't have any today. Like what? Cilantro for tacos, 85 cents. I need kale. I'm making a super green vegetable side, $3.49. I'm getting a gallon of 2% milk for $2.78, and then also a half gallon of whole milk at $1.66 to make ice cream with. Eggs at $4.19. Looking for regular tub butter, and they only have light. Oh no, there we go. Just gotta reach. $3.29. Cabbage is only 75 cents. Giant head. Need peanut butter for peanut butter ice cream, $3.59. Okay, so last week I had regrets of not buying this, but it's still here half off, $7.49. I have a new tree skirt. These blankets look really soft. They're very soft. $19.99. Different baking dishes. Ooh, they're really pretty. Ladder. My husband asked me to get bleach. Don't know what he's up to, but $4.99. I think this looks like a fun cat. I'm not getting it, but maybe next week I'll get it. We'll see. We ran out of corn syrup during our holiday baking, so I'm just replenishing. $3.55. So this is where I was hoping to find red sticker. No luck. And look, instead of crossing at $1.89, it's now $2.49. The opposite of what I wanted to see. Coffee to get through our last week of Christmas break. $4.89. Lots of meat still. These look so good to me. The Asian beef dumplings, but I found like 4 bags of dumplings in my freezer, so I have to walk away. But they look good. The price isn't on this side. Lots of apple strudels, pretzels, mott sticks, lots of pizzas, some meatballs, spaghettis and chicken parmigiana. Different chickens, little shrimp things, avocados, lots of frozen smoothies. My kids have really been enjoying these that I bought a few weeks ago. Specialty selected gelato. Oh my gosh, my daughter would go nuts for that. But $4.29 is a little steep for me. Since I didn't have fresh broccoli, I'm getting 2 bags at 97 cents at frozen. They have none of my unflavored waters, unfortunately. It is very hard to film in the Aldi Finds aisle today because the lines are going all the way back here. And I'd show you, but I can't without showing other people, and I don't do that. So lots of discounted stuff still. There really didn't seem to be much new in our aisle of shame or the Aldi finds aisle. There's a lot of the working out. So I'm gonna get in line. Here is everything that I got, not much, but any guess on my total? Here's a lot of Christmas clearance. A lot of the toys were on clearance in the Aldi finds aisle, but like I said, it was too backed up to film. Too many people and the lines. But lots of clearance still. You can see how long the line is. I did see this, vacuum seal rolls and vacuum sealer. I absolutely love my vacuum seal, and whenever I find red sticker chicken, this is what I do with it. So I just checked out, and I realized I forgot my husband's ice cream. I want to stay married, so I'm gonna get this. $6.49. Okay, so my grand total was $53.44. Got the goods. Well, I knew it was too good to be true. It's not 75 cents for the cabbage. It was 75 cents a pound, so my cabbage was $3.80. Still look forward to eating it, though. Okay, let's get this cart back and go home and see the meal plan. Whew, I'm happy to be home from crazy Aldi. It was so busy. There were so many people, and it was very hard to film in some areas. So I'm sorry it wasn't as thorough as normal. But our meal plan for the week, I'm making old-fashioned noodle soup. This is just salt pork that I got this weekend, some potatoes. I'll make homemade noodles. Really a delicious hearty soup. And I have Rhodes frozen rolls that I will make. I'm gonna make pancakes and breakfast. I have found so many frozen fruits. We have pancake mix to use. I have frozen hash browns. It'll be like a breakfast buffet, and we will all enjoy it. I'm gonna have tacos. We have friends coming over later this week. My kids do, and tacos is just a really easy meal to serve to multiple kids. They can all make it their own. I have frozen meat. We have shells. Lots of things on hand for that already. This was bumped from last week, gnocchi chicken Alfredo. I'm also going to make some sort of either salad or vegetable. I found a lot of vegetable packs in my freezer. And then I also found chicken dumplings, like the Asian chicken dumplings, and I'm going to make white rice and the super greens. This is a copycat of Panda Express, something that I had there recently that was so delicious, very healthy, and I want to try to recreate it. Basically, it's cabbage, broccoli, and kale sauteed with garlic and a little bit of broth. So delicious. And finally, we're gonna just have 2 nights of leftovers or fend for yourself. Basically, if you can find it on hand and use food that we have, you can eat it, or leftovers. So that's my meal plan for the week. If you want to see how I make taco meat and freeze it in meal-sized portions, you can check out this video I made years ago. I still do this regularly, and it keeps me with plenty of taco beef on hand. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.